A full day. How about showing you the controller shop? Not bad. How is a high-quality circuit board made? First of all, I think we should have a good production environment and advanced equipment. It must be produced in a dust-free environment. Also need to have temperature and humidity stable workshop. This is one of the important factors to ensure the welding quality of each PCB board. If bad production occurs, I think a lot of it is due to our solder paste printing caused it. In order to better control the quality of solder paste printing, in addition to having a good solder paste press, you also need speed testing equipment. Speed detection equipment can reduce some possible quality risks more significantly. Of course, a good patch machine is essential. The SMT machine is also the most expensive piece of equipment in our entire production line. We use the original imported Samsung patch machine. It is in production. Throw-off rate and mount error rate will be greatly reduced. Finally, our OE inspection process. OE identifies all errors caused by solder paste printing, including our original mounting and ray flow process. It has a check on it. We can ensure that our products are 100% qualified, so we can get 100% qualified products. The next step